Well, we're looking for a missing bird. Now, there's been a report of a bird missing from Sesame Street. And we understand that he may be right here in your hometown. By any chance, do any of you know of a bird from Sesame Street? You do? Well, maybe you could help us out. Now, what color is this missing bird? Yellow, you say? Well, does he look like this? Is he taller than this? Is he fatter than this? Not that bad, eh? Is this what he looks like? What is his name? Quite so. A bird this size would be a big bird. But what is his name? Now, you don't understand. I know that a bird this big is a big bird. After all, I am Chief Inspector Farquar of the New York City Department of Missing Birds. Now, cut that out! Now, one more time, please. What is this big bird's name? Big bird. The big bird. Oh, yes, big bird. Now go to it, men. Keep a sharp eye out for this big bird. While I find out just what kind of people live in this neighborhood. What the people in your neighborhood, in your neighborhood, in your neighborhood. What the people in your neighborhood, the people that you meet each day. Oh, the mailman always brings the mail. To rain or snow or sleet or hail. He'll work and work the whole day through to get your letter safe to you. Oh, the mailman is the person in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Oh, the mailman is the person in your neighborhood. A person that you meet each day. Aren't you a doctor?
I used to be, but I lost my patience.
That's too bad.
Oh, I didn't mind. They were all killed.
Oh,
The doctor was the Holy One to keep you feeling well and strong. But if I catch you feeling sick, I'll try to make you well real quick.
Say, you must be the baker.
Yeah, but I do not want to loaf around the
really take the cake. Oh, a baker is a person in your neighborhood, a person that you meet each day. Oh, the house painter will paint your home, avocado or seafoam, from the roof right down into the cellar. I'll paint it red or brown or yeller. You must be the house painter. Overall, I'll say yes. And do you know what we say when we finish painting? Now that's a house of a different color. Ouch! I'll see you later. I'll do a ladder joke if you don't mind. And what kind of person are you? Does fireman ring a bell? Fireman? Bell? Oh, that's a hot one. Ask me that again. Okay. What kind of person are you? That question really burned me up. Oh, a fireman is brave, it's said. His engine is a shining red. If there's a fire anywhere about, well, I'll be sure to put it out. Oh, you're the grocer. I know all about that. I bet you don't know things about it. You just mind your P's and Q's. Oh, but let's not get into a pickle over this. Enough of these corny jokes. Let's sing. Oh, the grocer is the person in your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Officers and mackerel. That joke gives me a panic. Oh, the student studies day and night until she gets the answers right. And to show that all her hard work pays.
My reports are all grade A. Oh, the carpenter can work with wood. Tackle himself is all he could. With boring nails and hammer too. I'll always do my best for you.
Oh, you're a happy-looking carpenter. You must like your work.
I give it my walk.
Now there's a suspicious-looking character. Does anybody know him? Aha! What's his name? Well, Ernie, I'm Inspector Farquar of the New York City Department of Missing Birds. Now, Ernie, we're trying to establish the whereabouts of one big bird. Do you know anything about it?
Well, sure. That's what I'm doing here. Looking for Big Bird to take him home to Sesame Street.
Good. Then we'll all work together. Now, do you have a plan?
Well, I thought if I sang a song, maybe he'd hear it and come out and join in. He's just crazy about music.
Well, it's not standard bird finding procedure, but let's give it a try.
Okay, you wait right here, and I'll go get the stuff I need.
The stuff you need? Oh, wait! What do you need to sing a song? Music? Music to attract the bird? Well, I don't know if it will work, but at least it will be peaceful and quiet and...
I'm going to sing a song about Rubber Duckie, Bert. sing about Rubber Ducky without Rubber Ducky, can I?
Ernie, I'm naked.
I left Rubber Ducky in the tub there, Bert. Can you find him for me?
Ernie, can I just have my pants?
Oh, there he is, Bert, floating in the bubbles. Hi, Rubber Ducky.
Oh, terrific.
Can you hand him to me, Bert?
Now can I have my pants or a towel?
Oh, just a minute, Bert. Just one more thing, and then we can sing.
Ernie, you come back here.
Don't stand up, Bert.
I take it your name is Bert. Yes.
Did you know there's a law against taking a bath in the middle of an auditorium full of people?
No, I didn't.
What's that?
That's Ernie going through the closet.
But what is he looking for?
His piano.
Nonsense. No one looks in a closet for a piano.
Ernie does.
Oh, I found it, Bert. It was right behind the stuffed camel. Now see, Bert, we'll sing this song, and Big Bird will come out and sing with us.
You think he'll bring a towel with him?
Most astounding.
Oh, sir, please, bring your coat.
I would.
Okay, here we go. Everybody join in. Good and loud so Big Bird will hear it. Rubber Ducky, you're the one. You make that time lots of fun. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Oh, Rubber Ducky, joy of joys. When I squeeze you, you make noise. Rubber Ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true.
Ernie, sing faster, man. The buckles are going.
Don't worry, Bert. Here I come. Just relax and you'll enjoy it. You ready?
Do I have a choice?
Every day when I make my way through the tubby, I find a little fella who's cute and yellow and chubby. Rubber Ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of you.
Ernie, any sign of Big Bird?
Well, I don't see him, Bert.
Wonderful.
Rubber Ducky, you're the one. You make that time lots of fun. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of you.
Now go down to your dough.
Rubber Ducky, joy of joy. When I squeeze you, you make noise. Rubber Ducky, you're my very best friend, it's true.
Get your hands off this tub. Hey, don't touch this tub. Oh, please don't do this to me.
We've got to find Big Bird. Come on, everybody sing. Rubber Ducky, you're so fine, and I'm lucky that you're mine. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of. Rubber Ducky, we're awfully fond of you.
Many days to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You there! You aren't by any chance the large yellow bird that we're looking for? No, of course you're not. No. Oh, I'm getting so confused. What am I going to do? On your feet, my little chickadees. It's showtime. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, Phineas T. Barnswallow, Barnstorming Aviary, a troupe of dancing and singing dodo birds who are here to entertain and delight you. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, assembled before you is the entire company of Barnswallow, Barnstorming Aviary. Let's have a hand for these arms. It's a very simple dance to do. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, pat your head, touch your nose, pull your ears, and flap your arms. It's a very simple dance to do. Maybe you need a running start. Try this. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, pat your head, touch your nose, pull your ears, flap your arms. It's a very simple dance to do. Do it again. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, pat your head, touch your nose, pull your ears, flap your arms.
Oh, Barnswallow, over here.
Yeah.
I just caught a little of your bird act, and I think I've got a constructive suggestion. You want to hear it?
By all means.
Well, I think you got the audience sitting too close to the stage. You ought to move your bird back a little further away from the people.
That could be. How far away do you think they should be?
Around Fairbanks, Alaska.
Just what I need to make my day complete. Insults from a scrap of soil fur.
Hey, wait, come back here. I was only kidding. Now, what was that you said about finding a talented bird?
Why?
Because if I heard you right, I may be able to solve all your problems.
Do not trifle with me, my little green dust moth.
Hey, this is on the level, and there's something in it for both of us. Suppose I knew there was a bright golden bird, 8 feet tall, who could sing and dance, and who everybody was crazy about.
Ah! With such a bird, I could be back on Broadway again.
Barnswallow, this is your lucky day. There is a big bird like that, and he happens to be right here in town. Now all you gotta do is find him and sign him up. Then you gotta star for your crummy bird act, and I got that big yellow turkey out of my fur for a couple of weeks.
Where do I find this oiseau formidable?
This what?
Big bird.
Oh, I've got no idea. But anybody who can't find an 8-foot bright yellow canary in a tank town like this ought to get out of the bird business.
What was that?
Probably the cops. The whole New York City Department of Missing Birds is here in town, along with half of Sesame Street, all looking for the same big bird.
I'll see you around. It's about this missing bird. First of all, we don't yet have a reason for his running away. Can any of you think of why he might have run away from Sesame Street? No? No?
I cannot think of one reason, not one.
Me neither. Unless he thought that everybody had forgotten his birthday.
Aha! Now there's something to go on. Who is that? Can anyone think why he might have thought that everyone had forgotten his birthday? No?
Certainly not.
No, unless he believed me when I told him everyone had forgotten it.
What? Why did you tell him that?
Because he asked me.
But you knew we were going to give him a surprise party. You knew that's why nobody was talking about presents or a party. Why didn't you tell him?
It would have ruined the surprise.
Well, but you could have told him something. You could have told him that we have not forgotten his birthday.
No. Why didn't you tell him that?
He didn't ask me that.
Oscar! This is a tough one.
Now, we've got the motive. He ran away from Sesame Street because he thought you'd all forgotten his birthday. And these good citizens here have given me a perfect description of him. But still, we haven't seen beak nor feather of him. Where could he be? What this case calls for is a real superhero. Someone who's cuter than a speeding bullet, hurrier than a locomotive, able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. What is it? Look out!
Next time, when we leave out, you talk about sleeping tall buildings. Oh, my goodness.
Super Grover!
Hey, Nito, you can help us find Big Bird. Do not touch the super bird. I think it is broken.
Oh, tell me, my little blue friend, what should we do to find Big Bird?
Do not. I will use my super brain to figure out exactly what to do. Now, what have you done already?
Oh, we sang one of his favorite songs.
Yeah, you see, we thought if he heard us singing, he'd come out from wherever he was and join in. Wait, I have it. His super brain of Super Grover has done it again. We will sing one of his favorite songs. Then, if he hears us singing, he will come out from wherever he is and join in today's super plan.
Grover, we just did that.
Not to worry, I know just the song to sing. The name of it is right on the tip of my super tongue.
Who is this?
Do not interrupt. I know it as well as I know my own name. What was the question?
Who is this?
Right. What is the name of that song? La-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. What's the name of that song? La-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. What's the name of that song? It goes la-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. Something, something, birds. La-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. I wish I remembered the words. Wait, yes, I do know the name of that song. Wait, yes, I do know the name of that song. I got it. I don't got it. It goes la-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. Something shining and bright. La-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. No, we can't stop singing la-dee-da-dee-dum. Let's live and strong. But la-dee-da-dee-dum, la-dee-da-dee-dum. Wait, what's the name of that song?
Hello, boys and girls. Hello.
Oh, I knew you'd come to help us.
Oh, sure. He's late because he had to stop had to stop it. Music falls for macaroons.
Aha, how many macaroons?
And it's Hoboken for lady fingers. Lady fingers? Oh dear, you. And we often for Vicky Newton.
Oh, I love Count Vicky Newton.
Oh, yes. Oh. We go now have lunch.
Who is that? Oh, the big blue one is Cookie Monster, and the other blue one is Super Grover.
I should have listened to Mother and joined the fire department.
What is the name of that song?
Grover.
Sorry. There was something trying to tell.
I know.
Oh, we don't get started. They get pending if you find big birds. Would stick lots even.
Wait, listen to me, my friend. We will not find big birds by sitting here being sad, no?
Then what should we do?
In the old bird, we have a way, not the word. The bone. What only?
People here are trying to tell me that they saw Big Bird back there. What's that? Did you see it? On my command, back that way to see if you can find the bird. Just as I said, absolutely no sign whatsoever of this big bird. Now what? He's where? Behind us? First you tell me that he's over there, and now you tell me that he's back there. Which is it? Well, we'll give it another go. On my command, about to see if you can find the missing bird over that way. Look! Do you know that it is a misdemeanor to tease an inspector of the New York City Department of Missing Birds? Finally, let's put an end to this silliness. O'Brien, the net! This is one of the most effective... The bird! Take! This is Ernie's idea, right? I'm terribly sorry, young man. We were trying to get the bird. Men, take that thing away. wind up like this. The little green scuzzy fellow in the trash can was right. If I only had that great yellow bird in the air, we'd be superstars. Back on Broadway, come to the bill. I've got to find that big bird and get his name on a contract.
Excuse me,
Don't bother me now, I'm thinking. Now, where would I be if I were an 8-foot yellow canary?
I was just wondering if I...
Not now, son. Can't you see I've got a problem? Well, maybe you can help me. Where would you be if you were an 8-foot... The great gargantuan Doing Bird! It's you!
It certainly is.
The name is Barnswallow, Phineas T. And what brings you into the gilded cage, my dear fellow?
Well, I was just walking by. That's all I've done since I got here, is walk around. And I heard you say, 4 birds, 4.
Yes.
I miss my friends on Sesame Street. Something awful. Even if they did forget my birthday.
Aww.
And I was wondering, would I just flock a little bird flock with the 4 birds, 4? I'm awful lonesome, Mr. Marshmallow.
That's Barnswallow. Of course you can talk to the birds, dear boy. Wait right here.
Lonesome day, why did I run away? Stop and say to the first friend I meet, can you tell me how to get to with Ernie and Grover. And sometimes Susan leaves sunflower seeds for me on the windowsill. And Mr. Snuffleupagus, you know, home.
What's a home?
No, it's more like a feeling than a place.
A feeling?
Yeah, just think of something you really like. Something that makes you feel better than anything. And that's the feeling of home. Sunflower seeds on my windowsill.
Riding my bike when it's all downhill.
Soft summer breezes to make me cool.
At the very last minute on the last day of school.
And then spring coming to my house to play.
A new snow falling on Christmas Day.
The soft stuffed animal I love the most.
Hot butter melting on whole wheat toast.
Sunflower
celebrate birthdays 3 times a week?
Sometimes 4. Come on, my boy, sign.
Well, if you say so.
I do. Aha! You signed it! Big Bird!
There you are. Oh, it's Big Bird.
We have found you!
Oh, boy.
Oh.
Yes, we worried about you 1,000 times. Maybe 2,000 times.
Yes, you should not worry your heads like that, Big Bird.
Some friends you are. Real friends don't forget another friend's birthday.
But Big Bird, we didn't forget your birthday. No.
We were planning a surprise party for you.
But Oscar said,
Oh, Big Bird, you know better than to listen to Oscar.
gee, I feel so silly.
Big Bird, you've come back Sesame Street now?
Yeah! Not so fast. Since he just signed an exclusive 10-year contract with Barnswallow Barnstorming Aviary.
What? 10 years?
Did I do that?
You certainly did, my boy. And this magnificent macabre isn't going anywhere near Sesame Street.
Oh.
I've got big plans for him, and he belongs 100% to me.
100%?
Take him to the stars' dressing room.
Oh, but,
Wait, no.
wait.
And shut the door behind you.
Hey guys, we can't just let Mr. Barnswallow take Big Bird away for 10 years. We have to do something. Right. Come here, buddy. What can we do? What is possible? There's something.
What is the name of that song? Oh, Mr. Barnswallow, we'd like to make you a proposition. Always willing to listen to a proposition, my boy. Well, since you won't let Big Bird come back to Sesame Street with us, we were wondering if you'd let us join your show and go along with him.
You see, it would mean that we couldn't go home either, but at least we'd all be together.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry, I'm not interested. What I need is spectacle, extravaganza, a dollar compendium of visual and auditory delight.
Dollar compendium of visual. You got it! Here we are.
Oh, Mr. Barnswallow, you just gotta take the rest of us so we can be with Big Bird.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Certainly not. Why, it's perfectly obvious that you haven't the tiniest little shred of talent.
That's not true. Bert here has
Has what?
the tiniest little shred of talent.
Ernie,
Bert, let's show him what we can do.
what can we do?
Bert?
Yeah. Oh! Yeah! Now you're talking my language. Stand back, everybody. Okay.
Give me room. Stand up.
Ladies and gentlemen, a toe-tapping tribute to the nation's most noble bird, that all-American symbol of our nation's greatest city, the pigeon, Professor Green. Hey! Yes, sir! 2, 3, 4. Every time I feel alone and slightly blue, that's when I begin to think just what I'd like to start to do.
And though it may not be the kind of thing that's quite your cup of tea,
I recommend you pay attention to the little dance you're gonna see. I love pigeons, and I love how they walk. So I created a real cool dance called Doin the Pigeon.